Next, I will tell you about competition. You can go here, compete. So these are the upcoming contests. There are different type of contests. First, I will tell you about starters using a previous starter. It was starter 67 held on previous Wednesday. Starters are held every Wednesday at 8 p.m. in the night, and it is a 3-hour long contest, 8 to 11. You all will start from division 4. When the contest starts, all these questions are displayed. You can start solving them, and all these take marks, crosses, partial solved. All the status are refreshed after every 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, and your rating goes as you solve many questions with a high speed. Okay, and for the starters, you have to take in account the number of questions you solve and how fast you solve them. It is a match of speed. Starters is a match of speed. So I will explain my graph in this previous. In first 3 minutes, I solved about two problems, these two, and in about 12 minutes, I solved the third one. But then I took a lot of time solving the fourth question, so my graph went like this because a lot of other people solved many problems than me. But then I solved the fourth question, so my slope went like this. At the last, I got a rating of 1372. And if you ask about rating system, the equation of rating is very complex, which takes into account many variables. It takes probability distributions, many mathematical laws. So to make it simple, you just have to keep your performance up. In starters, the first thing is number of questions you solved and by which speed you solve it. There is nothing like how well you write your code, anything. It just needs AC. If I show you the first question, Tour of the King. So this was the problem. I will also explain it in detail. If I submit this, so it run a multiple task. If all are AC, you get 100. Sometimes there are subtasks for small constraint like NM are 100. Maybe NM could be 1 lakh, 10 lakh. For bigger variable, you can get more score. These are divided in subtasks. For smaller constraint, you can get 50. For completing the bigger constraint, you can get 50 more. So at most, you can get 100 from a question. So I will also explain this thing in detail. So these are the competition starter. Next, I will tell you about long. The next long will held on 10 December, which is held every month. It is a 1 day and 19-hour competition. You will start from division 4. It will start in 7 days, 9 hours. In this contest, speed doesn't matter. In this competition, first what matters is how well you write your code. It's not how beautiful it is, it's how fast it is. For example, I give you an example. If you want to add numbers from 1 to 100, you can use a loop when you can add sum plus equal to I, but it will run n times if you want to get sum from 1 to n. Or you can use formula n into n plus 1 by 2, which will take one operation, and the loop will take n operations. So obviously, which one is faster? The n into n plus 1 by 2. So that's how you can write faster codes. With the experience, you can write faster code. With time complexity will be less. You will also learn about time complexity when you will learn DSA. So these are the two type of competition which will be held in this month. I request you to join Starter 68 at the 8 p.m. 7th December. Thank you.